Hey, I'll wait a few minutes for folks and get started then. Especially because I think our only agenda items from Ben, so I'm hoping Ben shows up shortly. Yeah, just waiting a few minutes for folks to get started.
Quiet one today.
Good morning.
Morning.
Let's say one more minute. Yeah, usual note, I guess. Ben, I think you're the only one with an item on the agenda, but if anybody else wants to add stuff, feel free to do so now.
I'm the new guy here, joining this SIG for the first time.
Welcome.
Hi, welcome.
Actually, yeah, this is probably good. So if you want to do a quick intro for yourself, Vessel, feel free to. Otherwise, no worries.
Yep. I'm Vatsal. I currently work at VMware. I work on Tanzu and downstream products of VMware, mainly on FIPS and other stuff, mainly SDET and stuff. So I'm trying to get more active on upstream Kubernetes. Nabarun and Nikita are my friends, and they suggested SIG-Testing is a good place to start your Kubernetes journey. So here I am.
Awesome.
I'll be happy if you can help me with taking some of the issues I can help with. I just want to get started. So feel free to assign something to me if you have anything interesting. Or just help me find something interesting.
Yeah, we can see about that later. I know the like testing for repo should have some stuff that's still marked as like good first issues or whatnot. It's probably also due for maybe a refresh if we haven't gotten to it recently. Cool.
Awesome.
Yeah,
glad to have you here.
We also have probably needs updating again. Where, well, that's the next item. We'll talk about that. But there's a project board, and we have some things tracked in there, and I think you can filter that down to issues that are labeled like good first issue or help wanted, and we do use those like distinctly, with good first issue being a subset that we think are great starters.
Sweet. Connecting that really because I didn't have it, and yeah, glad to have you here. Welcome. I think with that, we can move on. Ben, you've got the floor.
Yeah, hi folks. So I guess somewhat redundant, but just going ahead and announcing at the meeting as well. In the mailing list, we have nominations for new leads. Michelle here as chair, and Antonio here, and Patrick Oli, who's not with us today, as tech leads. So just we're having lazy consensus on that until Friday this week, since it was announced Thursday last week. So if anybody has any like complaints, concerns, objections, feel free to reach out and we can discuss and make sure that those are addressed before any like moving forward with that. So far there are none. I'm excited to move forward with that, hopefully soon. And thank you all. And hopefully we'll have some more help running these project boards and things. There is one limitation to the project board, which is that so we're using GitHub projects classic still, and I'm not sure if they fixed this in the new one, but at least in the older one, I believe you can only do it within the org it is. So we have some more projects under development in the Kubernetes SIGs organization, which is where most new like SIG subprojects go. I don't believe we have a tracking board there because there isn't a good way to do like cross org issue boards, but all of our projects are listed in the SIGs documentation in Kubernetes community repo, Kubernetes/community. There's a directory for each SIG, and in ours we have a list of all of our projects, like every other SIG, and for each of those projects, the like issue board should be tracking that. I don't know a good one off the top of my head, but hopefully we should have some labeled. We try to keep it that way. And if you have any like further questions about anything you want to take up, the Slack channel is pretty active and a good way to like get in touch with folks in SIG-Testing Slack. Excuse me. Anybody else have anything else they want to bring up?
So the KubeCon is in 2 weeks or something like that. Are we going to 3? Okay. I thought that was overlapping with the next meeting.
We have a lot to do between now and then.
No, it's just because I thought it was overlapping to cancel the meeting.
I believe there'll be a SIG meet and greet at the summit. So if you're coming, plan to come by there to help staff that if you can, or to come meet us. We'll also have a SIG intro session that myself and Michelle and Antonio and Chow, who's not here, will be speaking on, and we are working on slides for that. I'll also be at the SIG Kate's Infra session, and you can find me as Summit staff at the Contributor Summit.
Wait, sorry. Then you're at the Kate's Infra or Kate's contributor experience?
I will be on the Kate's Infra intro session during the main conference, and I should be pretty easy to find at the summit because staffing, and I don't know if they've said yet publicly like what it is this year, but every year the staff have something like pretty visible. One year it was like boat captain hats, or like there's something that makes them readily identifiable, so should be easy to spot. This year's will be very obvious.
Looking forward to that. Awesome. Yeah, anything else that folks want to mention, or should we adjourn? Sounds great.
My meeting today.
Yeah. That sounds fine. I was gonna say also, like, you also want to drop your GitHub handle somewhere, or if you're on the Slack, maybe just like hanging there. But I think I can also ask around with like my teammates if there's anything that's like a particularly good thing in SIG-Testing they want to float.
Sure. I'll ping you on Slack.
Sweet.
Cool.
All right. Thanks, folks. Take it easy.
Bye.
Have a good
Bye.
one.